Scene script. Have you ever wondered why some people appear unstoppable, no matter the challenges they face? Their secret lies in the power of motivation. This invisible force drives them to conquer mountains, to push beyond the boundaries of what they previously believed was possible. Picture motivation as a flame within us, a flame that refuses to be extinguished, no matter how fierce the winds of adversity may blow. This flame burns brighter and hotter with every obstacle that comes our way. Now, what fuels this flame? It's the potent words of wisdom we encounter in compelling motivational quotes. These quotes, these nuggets of profound wisdom, remind us to never give up. They stir within us a resilience that is indomitable, a determination that is unyielding. These words inspire us to dig deeper, to reach further, to strive harder. It's the fire that burns within us, kindled by words of wisdom, that propels us to push beyond our limits. Consider this quote from American inventor Thomas Edison, who once said, "Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time." Let's delve into the essence of these words, the spirit that they ignite. They speak to the heart of perseverance, an unyielding tenacity that pushes us forward, even when the odds are stacked against us. Edison himself was no stranger to this concept. His journey to inventing the light bulb was not a straight path. It was a road marked by thousands of failures. But he pressed on, driven by the belief that each failed attempt was merely a step closer to success. This is the power of perseverance. It's not just about dogged determination, but the courage to face setbacks, to learn from them, and to continue moving forward. It's about understanding that the journey to success is often long and arduous, but every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Consider the story of J.K. Rowling, the renowned author of the Harry Potter series. Before her name became synonymous with one of the most beloved literary franchises in history, Rowling was a struggling single mother living on welfare. Her manuscript for the first Harry Potter book was rejected by 12 publishing houses. But she didn't give up. She persevered, and her unwavering commitment paid off when the 13th publisher finally said yes. Or think of Walt Disney, a man whose name now represents a global empire of entertainment and imagination. Disney faced numerous setbacks in his early career, including bankruptcy and the loss of his first successful character to a rival company. But he didn't let these obstacles deter him. He persevered, and in doing so, he created a legacy that continues to inspire millions around the world. These stories, and countless others, underscore the profound truth in Edison's words. Success is not just about talent or luck. It's about the courage to persist, to keep trying even when it seems like all hope is lost. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. Now, let's ponder on this quote from the legendary basketball player Michael Jordan. "I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying." This statement, coming from one of the most successful athletes of our time, carries a profound message about the importance of effort and trying. It's a testament to the fact that the fear of failure should never be a deterrent to making an attempt. Failure, as daunting as it may seem, is an integral part of our journey towards success. It's a stepping stone, a learning curve, a teacher that shows us what not to do the next time. But what propels us to take that leap, to venture into the unknown, to try despite the odds? It's motivation. It's the fuel that keeps the engine of our ambitions running. Without motivation, our goals, our visions, and our dreams would be nothing but idle thoughts. Motivation is the driving force that pushes us to step out of our comfort zones. It's the spark that ignites the fire of perseverance within us. When we are motivated, we are willing to take risks, to face challenges, to strive for what we believe in. Michael Jordan's quote underlines the critical role of motivation in our lives. It emphasizes that failure is acceptable, but not trying is not. It's a call to action for us to muster the courage to try, to give our best shot regardless of the outcome. Because the real failure lies not in not achieving our goals, but in not making an effort to reach them. Motivation doesn't just fuel our actions, it fuels our spirit, our resolve. It fuels the determination to keep going, to keep trying, even when the odds are stacked against us. It fuels the tenacity to rise each time we fall, to learn from our mistakes, and to keep pushing forward. So, remember, motivation is not just a desire or a wish. It's a powerful force that can propel us towards our goals, towards our dreams. It's the fuel that keeps us going, that keeps us trying, that keeps us fighting. So when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Walt Disney once said, "All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them." These words echo an undeniable truth, the power of belief. Belief is a force, an intangible catalyst that transforms abstract dreams into concrete realities. It's the magic that turns the impossible into the possible. Imagine holding a seed in your hand. Without planting it, nurturing it, believing in its potential, it remains just a seed. But with belief, that seed can grow into an enormous tree bearing fruits of success. This is the essence of Disney's quote. It's the courage, the audacity to chase our dreams, fueled by the unshakable belief in their attainability. Often motivation begins with a dream, a goal, a vision, but it's the belief in that vision, the conviction that it can be achieved, which truly ignites our drive, our determination. Because in the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. As we wrap up, let's recall the key motivational quotes we've discussed today. We started with Thomas Edison, who once said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison's perseverance and refusal to accept failure is a testament to his unwavering motivation. We then moved to Michael Jordan, a man who understood the power of effort. His words, "I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times, I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed," echo the essence of motivation. Lastly, we heard from Walt Disney, whose belief in his dreams led him to say, "All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them." Remember, motivation is not just about moving forward. It's about never giving up, no matter how tough the journey gets.